Bedrick. Check it. Free. They be talking, but they ain't walking. Geng Geng. You know nothing. Di mo alam. All that yappin, di mo maintindihan. We just chillin, slow motion living. You know nothing. Di mo alam. Ayos lang ko nakahilata, nakatingin sa bubong. Pero yung isip ko kumakasa parang kalansing na bala sa tambucho. Ikaw yung daldal lang daldal, feeling mo astig ka na doon. Pero yung mga salita mo hangin lang, di tumatama sa lupa. Pre wala kang alam sa mga sulok na di nakabot ng ilaw. Sa mga usapang tapos na sa isang tingin na kailangan ng salita. Yung respeto di hiningi, kinukuha ikaw. Nagpapapansin ka lang para lang may masabi. You know yappin, right side. Di mo alam, right side. All that yappin, di mo maintindihan. We just chillin, slow motion living. You know nothing. Di mo alam.
You see the ice, you see the quiet, you mistake it for the peace. You see the chrome underneath the seat, you wouldn't recognize the beast. You talk about a life you seen on the screen, a fictionalized crime. I'm talking about the real silent meal, surviving over time. You dissect the glamour, but you missed the chapter on the pain. The countless nights in the rain, trying to wash away the stain of a reputation that you built to make the blocks aware that a hungry lion sleeps nearby. So tread with care, I swear.
I slip.
Right side, you hear me? Right side, nothing. You look at the ride, you look at the chains. You think you know the story, you see the glory, but you don't feel the scars. You don't know the code, you don't speak the language. So just sit back, listen to better yet. Stay silent.
You know nothing. Di mo alam. All that happened, di mo maintindihan. We just chillin, slow motion living. You know nothing. Di mo alam.
Yo, di mo alam. Free. Geng Geng. Slow motion.